Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites: battery level, proximity, and Bluetooth connectivity. First, restart your Apple Watch. Press and hold the side button until you see power options. If frozen, force restart. Once done, restart your iPhone to reset the link. Make sure focus or do not disturb isn't silencing incoming alerts. Toggle it off and back on to force state refresh. These quick actions often restore normal behavior because they clear temporary software hangs and re-establish the Bluetooth handshake. Once the basics are clear, dig into app and system settings to find persistent causes. Check for and install any pending Watch OS and iOS updates. Updates patch bugs that cause downtime. In the Watch app, verify notifications and background app refresh for problem apps. Enable as needed so the watch receives pushes. If a single app misbehaves, delete it from the watch and reinstall from the iPhone, then force a sync from the Watch app. These steps fix misrouted permissions and stale sync records. For stubborn downtime, unpair the watch from your iPhone. That creates a backup and removes paired state. After unpairing, repair to force a fresh configuration. This resolves deep software misconfigurations. If problems persist, erase the watch and restore from the backup you made, or set it up as new to eliminate corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if unpairing and restoring don't help, try pairing the watch to a different iPhone to confirm whether the issue is the watch hardware or your primary phone's account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.